Hey guys, I know I haven't posted in a while, but I have been working on the car. I just kind of went into crazy mode and just started working on it and not really recording anything. But as you can see, I got the whole rear end suspension done. Everything's all mounted, all the brake calipers, these sweet Nismo lugs, new rotors, shocks are mounted, axles. We did get our axle stubs. I do need to get the Tesla system that bolts up here. It's the pump for all the all-wheel drive system. I'm still trying to source one of those. There are a few I could buy, but it's extremely overpriced and they looked in pretty rough condition. So if anybody happens to have one for sale or know of one someplace for sale, feel free to throw it in the comments, maybe the link or something. But yeah, I got everything all done with the rear end here. Just kind of show you guys a quick video of just the progress, kind of where I'm at right now and what I'm working on, and I'll try to be a little more frequent with my videos. But yeah, this is what I got so far for the rear end. Again, I have the new car sitting right here, about to be disassembled. I'm gonna pull the engine. The engine works great on it. I'm just gonna probably pull it out and clean it up, just make it look pretty and probably list it for sale. And here, I don't know if you guys notice or remember, I'm testing out some colors. I really like that blue. Obviously it looks matte right now. I didn't do a clear coat over it. And I got junk kind of sitting on the hood here from other projects. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I really like the blue. Like right now, obviously, maybe another coat of it just to really make it a little darker. And then, yeah, like a clear coat so it's real shiny. I'm really curious how that's going to look. I'm conflicted. Either I go with this blue or if I go with like a, kind of like a slate gray or I think Porsche. I saw it on a Porsche. It looked really good. It was the... shoot, I think they call it chalk gray, but yeah. So just did a little test paint on that, getting ready to disassemble that, and that's the progress pretty much for the cars. And now let me show you what I'm working on right now. So right now I got the front subframe. Took everything apart and I got it powder coated the same burnt bronze color. I do have new bearings here I need to bolt down. I was just making sure they'd fit back where they're supposed to. And then I have the front knuckle all assembled in this, shoot, what's it called? The kingpin bearing and the control arm here. Sandblasted it, got it painted a nice gray. But this, I already put new seals in it. New dust cover. Let's see if I can flip this over. And yeah, new bearings all the way around. It's gonna be really nice. So basically right now I'm assembling the front, and I'll probably make a couple videos just showing how I piece everything together there. But yeah, that's what I'm working on now. And like I said, I'll try to be a little more frequent with uploading videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.